Porch pirates going wild. A pizza delivery driver gets mugged. Cars and homes get caught by shady prowlers lurking in the night. Lock your doors, subscribe to Midnight Creeps, and don't forget to like and comment. These crime footage will have you suspect everyone. Fort Lauderdale, Florida, where a porch pirate resorted to actually crawling on all fours like an animal to swipe a package off someone's porch. She steals the parcel before hopping into her getaway vehicle. Long Beach, California. A woman dressed in denim and sporting red hair was caught red-handed snatching a package right off a homeowner's mailbox.
Bro, why the f would you guys do this to me? Bro, you can't have nice and AC. I swear to man, you can't have nice and AC. Ooh, why would y'all do this, bro? Why would y'all do this?
Mesa, Arizona. A distraught man pleads for help after his wheels were seemingly stolen off his car overnight by heartless crooks. In New York City, larceny struck a pizza delivery driver just trying to make an honest living. Security footage captured the moment a woman calmly strolled up and snatched the poor guy's pizza order. A hooded man was creeping into a residential backyard when the fierce homeowner, alerted by her security system. The trespasser's excuse of being sent from a neighbor's house for work.
Okay, we're checking. Yeah, we're all good. All right. Hang on.
Lakeland, Florida, some concerned neighbors did the right thing and conducted a welfare check after hearing disturbing screams coming from a house. While we don't know the matter, it's encouraging to see communities looking out for each other. This clip from Las Vegas proves that sometimes karma can intervene. Instead of leaving a note like a decent person, the reckless driver is caught on camera simply driving away from the accident he caused. Salt Lake City, Utah. Pirates are gearing up for the Christmas holiday. It's going to be easy taking as long as people leave packages on their front porch. Let's hope there was nothing of value in those boxes. Another ballsy pirate is rummaging through an unlocked car for anything to steal, but the woman caught the guy going inside her car. Fort Lauderdale. There is a porch pirate so bold that he steals from someone's package in broad daylight. He's confronted through Ring doorbell, but the thief is completely unfazed as he tosses her stolen shoes aside and casually walks away. Tampa, a resident confronted a home invader who followed him to his doorstep. The scary situation prompted the homeowner to loudly order the creep off his property. Atlanta, Georgia, a man kicking at a door, seemingly trying to break in. When that failed, he stole a delivered package to avoid walking in the rain empty-handed.
No, it's dying again. No, help me. Help me.
Late-night footage depicts a woman wandering outside a house at 4 a.m. at an unknown location. While her motives were unclear, hopefully, she got any needed help. Baton Rouge. Cameras caught a man trying to break into a house by climbing up to a window, likely for illegal entry, highlighting why communities stay vigilant. Cleveland, a homeowner confronted an unknown worker lurking on his property, making clear the unauthorized visitor wasn't welcome. Culver City, a homeowner's camera captured a bizarre woman kicking at their front door for no reason. The resident wastes no time confronting the strange lady through the camera's speaker. "Hey, stop kicking my door! Get lost!" Even a pizza delivery driver became a victim. What a shame. Can't even an honest man deliver pizzas anymore. Fort Lauderdale. A suspicious man was caught on camera slowly circling and closely inspecting a homeowner's vehicle late at night. The resident got on his camera speaker to confront the prowler. Which of the crime footage shocks you the most? Tell us in the comments, and make sure to like and subscribe to Midnight Creeps for more Crime Watch updates.